Okay, so here's the ABT gun. It's laying on its side. We've removed the 4 slotted screws from the that holds the side plate on. And when we open it, we reveal the main mechanism. Here's the trigger. There's the piece that is actually, when I've already put a penny in and set the gun so that it will fire. And as this trigger moves back, we're going to see that this mechanism fires back. This has a finger that is spring-loaded. Look at that. There's a small spring that is inside the slot on the side there, and this goes up into the barrel, and as we can see, it should be making contact behind the firing pin. You can just see that there's that part of the firing pin is right there, and so that catches the back of the firing pin and it stays up in the barrel, draws it back as I push back on the trigger, and then it reaches a point where it slips out and then returns. And once again, back inside that slot, pushing back on the firing pin until a hard click, and now we see that the firing pin has returned back to the to its spot. Let go and pull, and another click. You see there's nothing, and then it's there. That's the firing pin is appearing right basically under my finger there, and that was my those were my shots. So it's something either in this finger not properly going up or not getting access to the firing pin. There is an inner barrel sleeve that sometimes can rotate. If it turns, it will actually block access to the firing pin. You can just grab a screwdriver and sort of move it back up and pry it, and the neck should shim in. It might have jostled free during transit. But that is the ABT gun.